Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss the Schrodinger picture of quantum mechanics. In Schrodinger picture, the operator is time independent whereas the state vector is time dependent. Now let us do the derivation. Let us assume the s to be the operator and psi s be the wave function. Now we can write the expectation value of this operator like in this manner. The expectation value of this operator we can write in this manner. Now if we do the derivative of this equation, with respect to the time, then we can write the derivative of the first term, the second and third term remain as such, the derivative of the second term, the first and third term remain as such, and the derivative of the third term, the first and second term remain as such. Now from the Schrodinger equation we know that I h cross d psi by dt is equals to h psi. So d psi by dt is equals to 1 by I h cross h psi. So if we take the complex conjugate of this equation, then d psi star by dt is equals to minus 1 by I h cross h star psi. But instead of h star psi, why I have written h here? Because we know that a Hamiltonian is an Hermitian operator. Since it is a Hermitian operator, we can write h as h star. So instead of h star, I have written h here. So what is the relationship between d psi by dt and d psi star by dt? It is nothing but both are same in magnitude, only with the negative sign here. Okay. Now in this equation we are using the value of d psi by dt is equals to 1 by I h cross h psi in this equation. We are using the value of this derivative in this equation. Right. Now d by dt of s is equals to 1 by I h cross h psi s. Now this is the first term, we are writing here like in this way. Now writing the third term here, psi s, and instead of a d psi s by dt we can write 1 by I h cross h psi, and the second term we are writing in the third term, and this vanish. Why? Because I have already told that operator is time independent. Operator does not depend on time. Since operator does not depend on time, its derivative will become 0. So the second term here vanish to 0. Now what we have left with the first term and third term. Now instead of 1 by I h cross h psi, we can write minus 1 by h cross h psi, because I have already mentioned both are equal, only differ by the negative sign. So we can write here 1 by I h cross h psi as minus 1 by I h cross h psi. Now this is 1 by I h cross has been taken out common. Here also minus 1 by h cross has been taken out common. So taking 1 by I h cross common, we can write this term minus this term. Right? So psi s remain as such, s minus h, s into h minus h into s. Here this is nothing but the commutation relation of s and h. And h. So we got d by dt of expectation value of as is equals to 1 by I h cross the commutation relation of s and h. So this is the equation of a motion in Schrodinger picture. So this is all about today's topic. If you really find this video helpful, then do like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.